Good afternoon, student. In last lecture, we had discussed the carbon compound and bond in the carbon compound. You know that in the carbon compound, they contain the covalent bond, and this covalent bond is formed between the two atoms by the sharing of electrons. Is it not? Today, I will teach to you the next point, drawing an electron dot structures of the molecules. How will you draw the dot and dash structures? Electron dot structure and dash structures. For example, hydrogen molecules. In drawing the electron dot and dash structures, the first method, first write the symbol of atoms. Here hydrogen molecule, first write the symbol of hydrogen and draw the circle around the symbol and write the valence electron in the circle by using the dot or sometimes cross are used. Here I am using the dot. This yellow dot indicates the valence electron. Second hydrogen atom, symbol of hydrogen is H. Then draw the circle around the symbol and write the valence electron dot in the circles. This dot indicates the valence electron. You know that hydrogen atomic number is 1, therefore valence electron is 1. Here hydrogen is 1, 1. When they are shared in the formation of bond between the two hydrogen atoms, then what happens? The sharing of electron is denoted by overlapping region of these two circles. These circles are overlapped. Overlap indicates the sharing. This is the first hydrogen atom, second hydrogen atom. This single electrons are shared. It denoted on the overlapping region. Write this by using the circles, or sometimes it is used of such type. Dot structure also denoted by like this also. This is the electronic dot structures. Then how to dash structures? You remember the covalent bonds is denoted by dash line. Then here only one pair is present between the two hydrogen atoms. Due to presence of a single pair, it forms a single covalent bond. Single covalent bond is formed. This is called as the dash structures of the hydrogen molecules. Are you understand? In drawing the dot structures, electron dot structures, use the dot or cross symbols for the valence electron around the symbols, and sharing of electron is denoted between the two atoms. And remember, in single covalent bond contain the one pair of electron. Here hydrogen contains the one pair of electron. Therefore, in between the two hydrogen atoms, only single covalent bond is formed. Second example, formation of O2 molecule. This is the H2 molecule. Dash and dot structure of H2 molecule. First example. Second example, in O2 molecules. You know the first write the symbol of oxygen at the center, then draw the circle around the symbols. This first oxygen atom, second oxygen atom, draw the circle around the symbol. This is the second oxygen atom. You know the atomic number 8, electron distribution 2 and 6. Here electron distribution 2 and 6. This valence 6 electron of each oxygen atom is denoted on the circle like this. This is the 2 electron, another 2 electron, another 2 electron. The 6 electron valence electron, here 2 electron, 2 electron, 2 electrons, 6 electrons, okay, valence electron. You remember here, this oxygen atom requires how many electrons for the completion of octet? 2. Here also it requires 2 electrons. Therefore, these 2 electrons are shared and to form O2 molecules. Sharing of electron denoted by the overlapping circles. How many electrons shared? 2 electron, 2 electron, 2, that is the 4 electrons are shared, denoted on the overlapping region. Remaining 4 electrons of each oxygen atom is drawn on these circles. This is the dot electronic structure of O2 molecules. This is the one oxygen atom, another oxygen atom, already denoted by like this. This is the oxygen atom, another oxygen atom. Contain the how many pair of electrons? 2 pair of electrons. Remaining here, how many pairs? 2 pairs. Therefore, one oxygen atom contains the 2 pair of electrons. Therefore, it forms a double bond, called as the double covalent bond. Similarly, in case of nitrogen also, draw the dot and dash structures. You know that nitrogen contains the 5 electron valence states because its atomic number is 7, electron distribution 2 and 5. Out of this 5, 2 is not bonding and remaining 3 electrons shares between the 2 nitrogen atoms and it forms a 3 covalent bond between the 2 nitrogen atoms called as the triple bond or triple covalent bond. It means that covalent bond divided into 3 types: single covalent bond, double covalent bond, triple covalent bond. Single covalent bond means when the covalent bond is formed by sharing of 2 electron or 1 pair of electron. Double covalent bond, when covalent bond formed between 2 atoms by the sharing of 2 pair or 4 electrons are called double bond. Triple bond, when covalent bond is formed between 2 atoms by sharing of 3 pair electron or 6 electrons are called triple covalent bond. Understand how do you draw the electronic and dash structures of any molecules? Question will be asked in the examinations. Define single covalent bond, double covalent bond, triple covalent bond, or draw the electronic dot structure and dash structure of the following molecules. Such type of question will be asked in the examination. Thank you.